What if machines danced? These excavators don't just move dirt, they perform with surgical grace. You're about to witness control on a whole new level. Buckle up. We're diving into a world where machines obey like extensions of the human hand. A 45,000-pound tracked loader became submerged in a small pond. The recovery was executed by the silverback tier input. Heart pounding, nerves tight. One of the most dangerous moves an excavator can make, coming down a hill.
और जाने दो पीछे।
An incident like this should be seen as a key learning moment for the whole team. Understanding what went wrong is critical to raising safety awareness and preventing similar risks in the future. Yet strangely, it's mesmerizing to witness.
Here it goes. Here we go, here we go. Oh my gosh, dude.
Talk about a close call. That was no walk in the park, right, folks? Lucky no one was nearby when it happened. Let's face it, Movia wasn't just a bus. It was a time machine, a symbol of growing up. But times change and progress waits for no one. The rise of electric buses signals a smarter, cleaner way forward. Today, we say goodbye to a legend, Arriva Movia 1041, the 2009 Volvo B7 RLE-60 Cephal 8500LE. Witness its final moments. Overcoming rough terrain with such water pressure is not an easy task. The water itself poses a risk of destabilizing the machine, and the slippery, moss-covered rocks below make traction a challenge. With independently adjustable legs, the Spider excavator's ability to walk maintains balance and stability on surfaces that traditional crawler excavators cannot manage. Impressive, right? Boom! Two excavators stuck in a seemingly impossible It's rare to see that kind of coordination, especially under pressure. Fast work without unnecessary movements. Super impressive. Precision and innovation come together as raw. The third of 10 decommissioned molasses storage tanks is being dismantled today at Port Everglades. Their removal clears the way for a dredging operation by the state and Broward County. Utilizing a Kobelco SK260 excavator equipped with the LaBounty 2250R shear, the team executes precise structural cuts to disassemble the tanks efficiently. Each tank
Sarah, lass es! Boah.
Wow, now that's what I call teamwork.
Ah. Wir sind wieder zurück. Oh weh!
Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support keeps our creative energy alive. The Euromac M500 is a cutting-edge spider excavator built to thrive in extreme conditions. With a powerful 115 horsepower Kubota engine and top-tier hydraulic systems, it delivers seamless performance. Oh my gosh! Even more luckily, the operator wasn't hurt. The Chemrox KRD-70 rotary drum cutter, when mounted on a Cat 315 small excavator, delivers exceptional performance when it comes to cutting through iron-linked stone layers submerged underwater. This machine's high power-to-weight ratio, coupled with a well-engineered hydraulic system, makes it an ideal choice for those looking to tackle tough underwater challenges with ease. So, you've got the Kobelco SK200-10 and need to get it onto a flatbed truck, right? It's not just about brute strength, it's about using the right hydraulic tools and careful planning. Have you made sure to balance the load and double-check the safety hooks? These machines are heavy and require precision. Let's make sure your crew is ready so that lift goes smoothly and safely. Procedure: an excavator getting its thorough clean, ensuring peak performance one wash at a time. Check out the T300 in action. Watch as this skilled operator clears out those massive tree stumps like a pro, re-spreading the landfill after every stump is cleared, as well as back-dragging the dirt to make sure you can get right under the stump, all while simultaneously using foot controls. It's the small things combined over hundreds of hours put into practice that really separates a novice and expert. Nice job!